Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to open WhatsApp location in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to open WhatsApp location in Google Maps, first open up your WhatsApp application on your phone, and after opening your WhatsApp application, guys, open the chat box of the person with whom you had shared the location, or the person has shared you the location. And for us, I have opened my own chat. Now in order to open the location, first let's send the location to ourselves from the WhatsApp by tapping on the attachment icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on location, and I'll be just sending my current location and not the live location. So let's tap on send your current location over here, and you can see, guys, the location has been sent. Now in order to open this location in Google Maps, just tap to open that location. It will automatically open on the Google Maps application over here. So let's do that again. Let's close this and let's tap on another location over here which I had sent previously, and you can see, guys, that WhatsApp location, it has opened on Google Maps. And with that being said, guys, this is how to open WhatsApp location in Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.